So we are done making our sampaguita buds on tissue paper. So ready na para i-make tuhog-tuhog sa stick. Now we have 3 available sticks here. Ang floral stick, which is nipis siya, but okay naman kasi wire. So I think hindi ko na try, but I think it would be wobbly or hindi masyado makapit. So then we also have the barbecue stick, but I'm not going to use the barbecue stick kasi short lang siya. So here's the silhig bokog stick. Ito, pwede mo ma-cut kung anong gusto mong length. So I will be using this silhig bokog instead of the floral wire and the barbecue stick. So let's try. Okay, tuhog na natin yung nagawa nating sampaguita buds. Okay, so make sure lang na makapasok yung sampaguita buds. Dito kasi yung nakuha kong silhig bokog stick is medyo siya larger. No, like fat stick. So medyo hirapan ako na ipasok siya, but pwede naman siyang i-cut a half para smooth lang yung pagpasok ng sampaguita buds at hindi masira. Pero kasi I prefer this sa may silhig bokog. Parang hindi na ako bibili ng mga stick. Kasi pwede naman. And then, pwede ko siyang gawing 16 inches or 20 inches, depende sa anong gusto mong length. Para namang, maganda yung kinalabasan sa decoration mo. Gayak sa karosa. Yes, this is my first time making a sampaguita stick. As in, sampaguita buds on stick. Kasi, wala ditong, sampaguita sa Iloilo. Walang sampaguita sellers. Like sa Manila na meron kang mabibili, at least fresh flowers. I prefer actually fresh sampaguita flowers sa karosa namin. But since sa Iloilo kami and mahirap maghanap ng sampaguita buds dito, so nag-DIY na lang ako. And eto yun, imbes na bibili, kung pwede ka naman mag-DIY, pwede ka naman gumawa ng sarili mo kasi tissue paper lang naman ito. At saka floral tape and silhig bokog sticker. Any stick you like. Pwede ka rin, maghanap ng any stick you like to put your tuhog. So, here's the product. Ito pala ginagawa ko. First time kong gumawa nito. I think it's okay. Hands-on talaga yung kamarera ni Santa Juana de Cusa. Okay ba? Okay na?